Welcome guys to yet another episode on my channel Explore Aftab. So today we are going to Kudremukh trekking. If that was not won't be possible, then we'll going to Kalasa and Hornado. And today along with me is my sir Rathi sir. You have already seen him in the Kochi video where I went to his home and we toured in the Kochi for one day. Then is Rajiv Saab, already seen in Yermai Falls video, and then the new member is Vijay Saab. So we are at the Kudremukh checkpost, forest checkpost point, and from here we'll be heading ahead. In 1 hour 30 minutes we have to cross this range. So I will be showing you the beautiful terrain, the beautiful mountain ranges of this Kudremukh. It's a beautiful place to visit. So be along with me. Let's go. So this is the beautiful mountain ranges of Kudremukh as we are climbing uphill, and Raju sir is driving, so I'm sitting at the back, which is up, and as you can see it's a beautiful range and a beautiful drive. Kalasa 49 kilometers. So this is one of the viewpoints. It's a bit foggy. I don't know whether you can see it properly in the camera, but it's a beautiful range and beautiful. There's a complete mountain ranges in front of us. It's complete fog out there, and people are enjoying here. Friends and colleagues enjoying. So it's early morning. It's 7:15 now, and it's a beautiful landscape. Just enjoy the view. It's serene. So it's just morning 7:20 is the time. So we'll be we have just passed SK border, and just 2-3 kilometers after SK border, I think this is the point. You can stop and look at the beautiful mountain ranges, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you more videos. So be along with me, be till the last of this video. I have already done this route on my cycle along with my HOD. I will give the link in the I button. You can check that out. Cycling on this route was a different experience in itself. Wonderful experience, once in a lifetime. If you ever come to this area, or if you are interested in cycling different routes, this is one of the best routes in India to cycle, and it will be great to cycle here. And let's enjoy even more. So one of the famous species, this is the jock. So you have to be you have to be aware of this. It's actually sense. So you have to be aware of that. So this is Kadambi Falls, and we have stopped here for some photo session. It's a beautiful falls, and after this I think there will be a flat surface, and we'll be stopping there for another photo session. Look, it's a beautiful falls. So how's the experience, sir?
Fine.
It's great, huh? Okay, let's go ahead and Let me show you the falls once again. It's a beautiful falls. So this is the flat surface which we get and surrounded both sides by mountains, lush green meadows, and we have just stopped for another photo session. Great views. I don't know whether you can see or not, but it's complete fog and mist on those mountains. So we have reached the KIOCL, that is Kudremukh mines, iron ore mines, and now this mines is closed, and this used to be a complete residential and everything was there, but now everything is closed down, and only the horse is left, KIOCL horse. So I think that's the gate to go in, but everything is closed now, and it's a natural World Heritage Site, the Kudremukh Range. That's the description out there. Let me show you. I'll take you there. So this is the World Heritage Site, Kudremukh mountain range. It is called Kudremukh. It's in the form of a horse. So that's Kudremukh, form of horse. And this is the complete range. We have stopped just for a small break, and we have to go straight. And there are some colonies and other schools were there, but now everything is closed down. So this is the point from where we start. We have to start trekking, but now I think only 50 people are allowed. So we have already 50 have gone inside. So plan A is failed. Now we go with the plan B. Now we'll go to Hornado, Kalasa, Hornado. If possible, Shringeri and via Agumbe will come back to Udupi. If not, we'll go up to Hornado and come back the same route. So let me show you where's this point. This is the pink house. There are some shops out here. It's just on the next to the highway. The tickets will be available at the check post behind. If you come from Kudremukh side, then if you're coming towards the Samse side, there's a check post. From there you have to take the tickets, and then you have to come here. You can take your vehicles up to 8-10 kilometers from here. Then you have to go up the trekking. But now that plan is failed, so we'll go with the plan B, and be along with us. It's going to be a beautiful journey ahead. The scene is quite beautiful out here. So let's go with the plan B now. So this is one of the tea plantation, and there's a temple on top. It's a beautiful tea plantation. Photo session is going on. So there's a, you can have some snacks and tea out here. And, just have a look at this tea plantation. So we have stopped at Kalasa, and we are just filling up some air in Stepney and other tires. And this petrol pump in Kalasa, we have stopped just for filling air and other things. So we'll be going to Kalasa temple, then Hornado temple, and if possible, then we'll go through Shringeri to Agumbe and then back to Udupi. We came back after visiting the temple. It's Kalasa temple. And the name of the temple is Kaleshwara temple. So we have reached Hornado, and you can look at what a scenic view. It's complete surrounded by mountains, and this is the temple. Let me show you, Hornado temple. So we'll be visiting that, and next we'll be showing you what else is there. The time is 10:30 now. So now next we will go to Shringeri. Then by evening we'll be going through Mumbai to Udupi. So that's the temple out here. And ये रोड पूरी बनाई है, लैंडस्लाइड वगैरह हुआ हाँ लैंडस्लाइड वगैरह हुआ है।
देखो यार छोटे छोटे पानी का ये है, छोटे छोटे वाटरफॉल्स है, ये पूरा ये देखो पूरा इसी का है।
So we have stopped at a point, viewpoint. Let me show you. Beautiful landscape. I don't know whether you can see, it's too glary, but it's complete beautiful landscape. Mountain ranges at the back. It's too much glare is there. Complete mountain ranges. And we'll go ahead that way and we'll see the meadows or the grasslands. So let's go there. Beautiful meadows. I don't know whether the camera is able to do justice for it or not. Complete meadows, grasslands, complete grassland. It's a beautiful view. And now we have to go straight ahead and we'll go to Shringeri. So we'll see you in Shringeri next. Oh, these dogs are looking for something. So let's see you in Shringeri now. So Rajiv sir, how's the driving experience?
Driving experience is very nice, but roads are too much twisty.
Too much twisty. And while we were climbing, there were sudden S-pin turns. But the view is beautiful. So these are the coffee plantations, complete coffee plantations.
Coffee either kali mirchi.
So let me show you some of the coffee plantation. So these are the, here you can see, these are the seeds, coffee beans, and this is complete coffee plantation. And let me show you that side on the pepper. Pepper plantation is also there. And if you can see that creepers, those are the peppers, black pepper. So they have coffee down there and creepers of black pepper on the trees. Big trees. Sir is bringing something, I think. क्या है sir? Pepper. So let me show you. Sir has brought some pepper.
Pepper.
So this is how pepper looks. This is pepper. So now we'll be having a countryside food, pure veg food.
Fry mirchi.
Fry. That's all. So after we have lunch, we'll go ahead to Shingeri and show you Shingeri. So be along with us. Let's enjoy the food. Ciao. The temple is closed and will be opened by 4 o'clock. So now it is 2 o'clock. So we think we will be leaving after the darshan. So we are heading back, and there is a hanging bridge just over the river. We'll be visiting that. There's a temple behind. It will open by 4. So it's 2-hour gap now. So let's show you the hanging bridge. It's a beautiful bridge. I think the view will be beautiful too. This is the hanging bridge just over the river. Oh. That's the temple, Shingeri temple, that one. And then there's a bridge to go to the mutt. So, that's the temple, huh? That's the mutt. So we have reached Agumbe. So we have reached Agumbe and we have just stopped for a tea break. It's raining out here. It's raining out there. And now it will be around 11 to 12 kilometers of complete downhill. The Agumbe Ghat section, famous Agumbe Ghat section. And then we will be at Hebri and then Udupi. So let's see you at the Ghat section and then at Udupi we will close the trip. Be along with us. Here's the famous Agumbe Ghat section. It's raining heavily and it's completely fogged. The visibility is low. We had planned to stop at the sunset point, but now due to the rain and fog, we have cancelled the plan. So we'll be straight going to Udupi now. So guys, with this we bring the trip to the end. We are just going down through the Agumbe Ghat section and it's raining and steep down here. So thank you for watching. Sir, anything to say? So bye from all of our side. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.